Good afternoon, friends. Now I'll be showcasing out here as to how to proceed further and plot simple bar graphs. Now, in order to do that, I need to first of all import NumPy as NP because there would be series of the numbers that I would be requiring in order to draw the graph. Then I would be importing pandas to call in and to utilize pandas so that I can go ahead and draw the graph also. From pandas, I would be importing series because it is a series of the numbers that I'm going to use it. Number one. Number two, I need to create a data frame. Otherwise, plotting would be very difficult for me. And lastly, but not the least, I would be importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT so that I can go ahead and use this particular function in order to plot my bar graph. Number one. Number two, even to showcase the plotted bar graph. So how do we go about with the coding? It's a simple coding that I have taken care of. First of all, I'll take the set of the numbers. You can say it as let me just showcase to you what you can do. You can go ahead and you can take the numbers. Number one, it would be data 15, 23, 45, 56, 78, 100, and then I have taken 175, 208 and 230. Now first of all, I'll take these numbers. Okay, as you can see, I'm just changing the codings also so that we are able to know it as to how to do it properly. Now here you will see that yes, once I have taken this one, I'll have to go ahead and save this particular series of numbers in a data frame called as data. In other words, I'm going to create the entire create a data frame in such a manner that I can go ahead and store these values that I have taken care of. Later on, with the help of plt.bar, which is my function, I would be going ahead and saving these numbers. Now, instead of writing 10, 15, 23, 45, 56, 78, 100, 175, 208, and 213, I will simply write them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 in number and 10 this one. And since these are numbers, I have to put them in square brackets and then comma data. Why data? Because these numbers are stored in my data. So this is how I can do number one, and then I can close the simple brackets, and this will help me to plot my bar graph. Later on, you will see the moment I key the words plot.show, this means that I want it to be showcased to me entirely, and this will help me in order to exhibit my what do you call the plotted bar graph. So let me go ahead and run the entire program so that you are able to see exactly how the bar graph would be coming in. Here I have not included any kind, I'm not, I mean, in this particular bar graph, the one that I have plotted and coded, I'm not writing, I've not introduced any grid line or the transparency attributes or anything. It's a simple bar graph that I wanted to do it. No legends, no, it has got only spines from all the four sides, that is x-axis, y-axis, and secondly you can see the numbers that have been plotted. So here you can see that 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200 for what I require. Above ones are not showcased, for example for 208 and 213. I purposely and intentionally took up these numbers so that I can showcase to you as to how they would be proceeding further. Later on also you will see that on the x-axis it has got only 2, 4, 5, I mean no 5, 6, 8 and till 10. The highest ones they haven't yet showcased to me. Only thing is that they have. So how many bars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars are there, and this has been plotted in this manner without any legends, without any grids, without any labels, without any title or major text or the major labels or anything out here. I've simply plotted a bar graph and I have showcased to you. So let me proceed further with yet another way in which I can add little bit more to the bar graphs and see what how Python is going to help us out to do this. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.